What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jake to the J. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make aux tracks in Reaper. It's real simple to do, but if you don't know how to do it, it's difficult. So let's dive right into that. So first of all, whatever track it is you want to make an aux for, or if you want to send reverb, you want to send delay, but you want to use a send effect rather than putting a reverb on each track, you need to make an aux track. Now, the good thing about Reaper is there's only one type of track, and that track can do just about anything. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's say we got this chorus track right here. This song ain't mixed yet, and probably in the next video I'm gonna mix it. But let's just play with the chorus. Damn thing changing. See, I'm patient. You niggas lazy. I ain't worried about a damn. So you got the chorus, you want to add a little reverb, you want to add a little delay on it. So the first thing you want to do, just like you add in any other track, you go down to insert multiple tracks. Since we're going to be using a delay and a reverb, and we want to click two. I don't name them at this point because I'm going to be naming those two separate things. And then you want to hit OK. We got two, OK, whoop wop. Now that's not where I want to put them. My aux tracks, I usually put at the end, just like if I were using a mixer. So we'll move those to the end. Now we want to name them. We'll name this one reverb. I can't spell. I'm trying to type too fast. Reverb. And we will name this one delay. So as you can see, these look just like the other track. So you may even want to come in here and type reverb aux. That way you won't think this is a whole nother track, audio track, or be screwing up your head. So we'll name it that. Now that you got that done, you want to add whatever reverb you're going to be using to send out to the other tracks. And we're going to use, for the sake of discussion on this, we'll just use, how many reverbs I got? I don't have but this one. We'll use the Reaper reverb, and we'll just choose this sweet reverbo preset. Cancel that out. Then we're going to come down here to our delay. Whatever delay you want to use, we'll use that one too. We won't even use the wave plugins. And the preset we're going to use is, we'll do a basic 5-tap ping pong, because this is a vocal track that we are using this for. So now you got your reverb aux set up and your delay set up. So if you want to say, we're going to come up here to this chorus track, and we want to send a little reverb to that one, you want to click on these three bars. If this is the template you're using, everybody's template is different, but this is the template I am using. So you'll get to this screen right here, add new scene. You want to come down and say add new scene. And we want to add the reverb. And you may as well, and if you know you're going to add that delay, go ahead and click add delay. So now this chorus track is routed to the reverb and the delay, but it is also going to the master scene because we still want the dry signal to go through the master. Before you hit play, just go ahead and turn both the reverb and the delay down, because that's going to be awful in your ear. Now when you play these, damn thing changing. See, I'm patient. You niggas lazy. I ain't worried about a damn. We'll solo those. We'll click back so we can see. Then we're going to slowly bring up the reverb to the sound that you wanted. Damn thing changing. See, I'm patient. You niggas lazy. I ain't worried about a damn thing changing. See, I'm patient. You niggas lazy, yeah. And we got them both turned up. Now we kind of getting into the mixing, but that's not here. This is what it sounds like. Damn thing changing. See, I'm patient. You niggas lazy. I ain't worried about a damn thing. And of course, if you don't want to hear the reverb, you want to hear the dry version, just mute. Damn thing changing. See, I'm patient. Or you can come back up here, click on those three bars, and just bring the volume down to 0. Now, if you want to remove those, there's a couple of things that you can do. One is delete and right here, and the second is delete. That's all you can do. I was tripping. And there you have it. And in these particular sections, you can pan it however you want to. You can do a post fader, pre-fader, pre-effects. It's whatever you want to. You can come through here and mute it. There's several things that you can do. Anyway, this is a quick video on how to add aux tracks to your song, to your main tracks in Reaper. Let me know what you think in the comments. Peace. Damn thing changing. See, I'm patient. You niggas lazy. I ain't worried about a damn thing changing.